Folks, stop scrolling for 1 second, because what I am about to show you today is different from every other penny stock video on this platform. I am not going to mention a single name you have already heard before, no names you have seen trending on social media, no tickers you have heard in every other YouTube video this week. Today I am going to show you 5 stocks that almost nobody in the retail investor community is talking about right now. 5 real companies, all under $5, all with stories that the crowd has not found yet. And that is exactly where opportunity lives. Before the crowd, not after. Stay until the very end, because number 1 today is a company whose technology is already flying on military drones, heading to space, and powering the AI data centers being built right now. And revenue just grew 98% in a single quarter. Hit subscribe right now and turn on notifications. We do this every single day. This is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Now let us get into it, starting with number 5. Picture a world where emergency services depend on one thing above all else: communication. When a wildfire breaks out, when a tornado hits a city, when a building collapses, the first responders on the ground need to communicate instantly, reliably, and without failure. And the technology that makes all of that possible is called Next Generation 911 infrastructure. This company has been quietly building that infrastructure across the United States for years. They provide the communications backbone that connects emergency callers to dispatch centers, that routes data between first responders, and that keeps emergency networks alive when everything else is failing. They recently sold a major segment of their business for $157.5 million. That is not a story of a company struggling. That is a company streamlining, focusing, and emerging stronger. Gross margins are improving. Cash flow turned positive for 4 consecutive quarters in a row, and they delivered their first enterprise digital intermediate frequency modems to a major US government agency earlier this year. The stock is currently under $3 at the time of this recording. The company is Comtech Telecommunications Corporation, ticker symbol CMTL, trading on the NASDAQ. Now get ready, because the next company on this list is solving a crisis that 500 million people face every single day. Number 4. Diabetes is one of the most widespread diseases in modern history. More than 500 million people around the world live with it, and for decades, the standard treatment for people who need insulin has been the needle injection. Painful, inconvenient, something that millions of patients struggle to maintain consistently. This company built a completely different approach. They created an inhalable form of rapid-acting insulin, a dry powder that patients breathe in through a small device instead of injecting. FDA approved, already commercially available, already prescribed by real doctors to real patients. And the business is growing. Revenue from their flagship inhaled insulin product grew significantly in 2025. They have a partnership with one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world, generating royalty income on top of their own commercial sales. And they have an entirely separate pipeline targeting serious lung diseases that most investors have not even started to value. The stock is currently around $4 at the time of this recording. The company is Mankind Corporation, ticker symbol MNKD, trading on the NASDAQ. But wait, because the next company is operating in one of the fastest growing infrastructure categories in the world right now, and almost no retail investors are paying attention. Number 3. Every time a mobile network operator needs to move data faster across their network, they face a fundamental challenge. How do you connect one cell tower to another, or a tower to a data center, without running expensive physical fiber cables through mountains, deserts, cities, and rural communities where cable installation is simply not possible? The answer is wireless backhaul, high-frequency radio systems that shoot data through the air at enormous speeds, connecting every piece of a network invisibly and reliably. This company has been building these systems for nearly 30 years. They operate across more than 130 countries. Their technology is deployed inside the networks of some of the largest mobile operators on Earth. And right now, the global 5G rollout is creating an explosion in demand for exactly what they build. Because every new 5G cell site needs a connection, and wireless backhaul is the most practical way to deliver it. In April of 2026, the company announced approximately $10 million in new private network contracts across utilities, mining, defense, and public sector clients. Gross margins improved. Operating income swung from a loss to a gain of $2.1 million, and Roth Capital just raised their analyst price target to $4.50. The stock is currently around $3.50 at the time of this recording. The company is Secord Networks Limited, ticker symbol CRNT, trading on the NASDAQ. Now pay attention, because the next stock is exploring a field of medicine that most people in the mainstream financial world have completely dismissed, and it might be the biggest mistake they are making. Number 2. The human mind is one of the last great frontiers of medicine. Depression, post-traumatic stress, addiction, anxiety, these conditions affect hundreds of millions of people worldwide, and the standard treatments have not meaningfully changed in decades. The same antidepressants, the same therapy protocols, systems that work for some but completely fail for many. This company is building something fundamentally different. They are developing a portfolio of psychedelic-assisted therapies for serious mental health conditions. Not recreational, clinical, FDA-regulated, rigorously tested in controlled trials. Their approach combines novel compounds with specialized therapy protocols to create treatments that work in entirely different ways from anything currently approved. They have a broad pipeline across multiple indications, a cash position that extends their runway well into their key data readouts, and partnerships advancing multiple programs simultaneously. The mental health pharmaceutical market represents one of the largest unmet medical needs on Earth, and if even one of their programs crosses the finish line, the financial impact would be transformative for a company this size. The stock is currently around $1.80 at the time of this recording. The company is Atai Life Sciences, ticker symbol ATAI, trading on the NASDAQ. And now the moment you have been waiting for. Number 1. Number 1 on today's list is a company that is sitting at the exact intersection of 3 of the biggest megatrends in the market right now: defense drones, space missions, and artificial intelligence data centers. And almost nobody in the retail investor community is connecting the dots. This company was founded in 2013 with a very specific mission: build the safest, most reliable battery and thermal management systems for the most demanding environments on Earth. Environments where failure is not an option. NASA spacecraft, military drones, autonomous vehicles, AI data centers that run 24 hours a day without stopping. Their technology protects batteries from thermal runaway, the condition where a battery overheats and catches fire. In applications where a single failure can mean a lost spacecraft, a crashed drone, or a data center going dark, the demand for what they build is not discretionary, it is mandatory, and now the contracts are arriving. They signed a prototype development agreement with a US-based military drone manufacturer for a program backed by the Pentagon's $1.1 billion Drone Dominance Initiative. They were selected as the battery provider for an upcoming orbital transport space mission. They signed a 5-year preferred battery supply agreement worth an estimated $30 million in total revenue, and a new partnership was announced to develop high-power battery backup systems, specifically for AI data centers. Revenue grew 98% in the first quarter of 2026 alone. Gross margins expanded to 29%, up significantly from the prior year. A brand new chief financial officer was just appointed, and a new independent board member with decades of financial strategy experience joined the company. When a company appoints a seasoned CFO and a new board member at exactly the same time that revenue is nearly doubling, that is not a coincidence. That is a company preparing to scale. The stock is currently around $3.79 at the time of this recording. The company is KULR Technology Group, ticker symbol KULR, trading on NYSE American. Now here is the moment you have been waiting for. All 5 revealed together. Stock number 5, Comtech Telecommunications, ticker CMTL, NASDAQ. Stock number 4, Mankind Corporation, ticker MNKD, NASDAQ. Stock number 3, Ceragon Networks, ticker CRNT, NASDAQ. Stock number 2, Atai Life Sciences, ticker ATAI, NASDAQ. Stock number 1, KULR Technology Group, ticker KULR, NYSE American. 5 stocks, all under $5. All with stories the crowd has not found yet. Now let me be completely honest. Every single one of these carries serious risk. CMTL is still restructuring after years of losses. MNKD depends heavily on one product for the majority of its revenue. CRNT is a foreign-listed company with exposure to international market risks. ATAI is clinical stage with no approved product and significant ongoing cash burn. And KULR has been burning cash and carries a large net loss driven by non-cash Bitcoin-related charges. These are not safe investments. Do your own research on every name. Read every SEC filing. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. This video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. Always consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. You could lose your entire investment. The question is always the same. Will you find these before everyone else does? Or will you look back and wonder why you scrolled past? Hit subscribe, drop a comment below. Which of these 5 are you watching? We do this every single day. New stocks, honest analysis. Same mission. See you tomorrow.